video we have completed the objective exercise of chapter 1, the using of globe and maps. Now today we are going to complete the objective exercise of chapter 2, the heat zone. What we have seen in the heat zone, what is the meaning of heat zone, and there are the planet is divided in 3 parts like torrid zone, frigid zone, temperate zone. This all we have seen with the diagram also. Now it's time to complete the objective exercises of this chapter, the heat zone. So the first exercise is choose the correct answer. The first exercise is choose the correct answer. So I am writing on the board the first one, and 3 options are also there. We just have to choose the correct option from the given option. The not temperate zone. You also have to put the heading chapter 2, the heat zone, and write in your notebook. The not temperate zone. The not temperate zone lies between blank space. Now 3 options are there. 1, 66.5 Celsius and 19 Celsius N. Now option 2, 23.5 degree N and 66.5 degree N. Now the third option is 0 degree and 23.5 degree N. So here we have to choose the correct option, tick the correct option and write at the blank space. So the correct option is number 2, and write down this here 23.5 degree N and 66.5 degree N. This is the correct option. Now the second one, the sun rays are the warmest. You have to write this all in your notebook, okay? So the sun's rays are the warmest in the blank space is there zone. Now again 3 options. 1, temperate. Second, torrid. Third, frigid. So which is the correct option? Torrid zone. So number 2 option is correct. So write here the torrid zone. Now the third one. So letters are there A, B and C. A, B and C. Now see, India has tropical monsoon, blank space. Now three options: weather, second climate, third zone. So the option is India has a tropical monsoon climate. Option 2 is correct again. So right here climate. So the correct option is climate. India has a tropical monsoon climate. Now the D, the frigid zone. Gets very little heat from the sun, as the sun rays are blank space. Now again three options: direct, two slanted, three vertical. So the frigid zone gets very little heat from the sun as the sun rays are slanted. So here also option 2 is correct and right here the slanted. You note down this on in your notebook. Put the heading chapter 2 the heat zone and write down this. Choose the correct answer. hope student you have written this in your notebook. Now the second question, fill in the blanks. Second question is fill in the blank. So let's complete it also. Now in the second questions, options are not there. We just have to find out the correct answer and we have to write over there. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. A. Between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Capricorn is the blank space is the zone. So between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is the torrid zone. Which zone is there between these two zones? Torrid zone is there. So the answer is torrid zone. Now B. Temperatures are the highest in the blank space zone, where we can see the highest temperature, very hotness is there in the torrid zone. Again, the answer is torrid zone. Now the C, the southern temperature zone, temperate zone, the southern temperate zone lies between the blank space and the Antarctic circle and the Antarctic circle. The southern temperate zone lies between the, which zone is there? Tropic of Capricorn. So the answer is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic circle. Now D. The ground is frozen. The ground is frozen in the frigid zone. In the frigid zone is called permafrost. The ground is frozen in the frigid zone is called permafrost. So the answer is permafrost. You note down this all in your notebook. E number I write here. Within a heat zone, there are different blank space region. So what is the answer will come here? Within a heat zone there is a different climatic region. Climatic region. So here we have completed question number 1 and question number 2. In question number 1 there were 3 options, but in the question number 2 there are no option. We have written the fill in the blanks with correct answer. So you note down this all. Now the question number 3 is there. Answer the following question. How are the heat zone divided? B number, on what factor does the weather of place depend? C, how is the climate of a place different from its weather? D, do all the places in the heat zone have the same climate? why does the climate differ? E. Why is the frigid zone very cold? Now these questions answer you will be provided soon. Now last one question number 4. On the following diagram, do the following. Name the latitudes and mark their degrees. Name the heat zone, and in the image provided below, mark the heat zone in the different color. So this is your homework. This is your homework. This question number 4. You have to draw a diagram like this, which is already given here. This heat zone diagram, the same diagram you have to draw in your notebook and shade in the different color like torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone, and name its all. North pole, the south pole, all the latitudes and images you have to draw in your notebook. So I hope student you have written this, so I just write here question number 4, which will be your homework. And question number 3, questions are there, so the answer you will be provided soon. Homework. One diagram is there. Question number 4. Draw a diagram. Name it and color it. That is, this question number 4, you have to draw this diagram in your notebook and color it with the different zones, like frigid zone is blue color, temperate zone is in green color, torrid zone in the in orange color. So this same diagram you have to draw in your notebook. So here we have completed chapter number 1, chapter number 2's objective, and chapter number 3's objectives also we have taken. So in our next video we will see the new chapter, chapter number 4, the tropical monsoon region. So till then, bye bye, take care and thank